Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun, this is Kuya Mike TV at samahan nyo na naman ako na sagutan itong EPS topic sample exam number 4604. Yan, tara samahan nyo na ako guys at sagutan na natin to. Basahin na natin. Sabi ni Ga ay Pushakashin Mulgon Kacho Wasumnida. Yan, in English ay I have brought what you had requested. Yan. Ang sagot naman nina ay Kugunbol. Ayan Kakawi Domyonan Timnika. Ayan Chujok. Ayan Chujok Gyosoge no Hajuseo. Yan, in English ay leave it in the corner over there as it should not be placed near fire. Yan, ulitin natin leave it in the corner over there as it should not be placed near fire. Yan. Diretso tayo dito sa 4 choices. Si number 1 ay si Odie Nol Kayo. Yan, Nol Kayo. Odie Nol Kayo. In English ay where do you want me to put it? Yan. Dito naman tayo kaya number 2 kaya Muchie Piliaseo. Yan. Muchie Piliaseo. In English ay when do you need it? Yan. Dito naman tayo kaya number 3 kaya Onje Chumana Shuseo. Ayan Onje Chumanha. Ayan Sucheo. In English when did you order? Yan. Dito tayo sa last. Si number 4 si Chumanashin. Ayan Chumanhashin Pune Nuguseo. In English who made this order? Ayan. Sa palagay nyo guys, anong tamang sagot dito? Ulitin natin yung tanong. Sabi ni Ga ay Puchakashin Mulgon Kajwa Sumnida. Yan, in English I have brought what you had requested. Dito naman tayo kay Kugunbul Gakawe Tumyonan Tumnika Chujok Kushige Nuwajuseo. In English leave it in the corner over there as it should not be placed near fire. Yan. Si number 1 ay si Odie Nol Kayo. In English, where do you want to me put it? Si number 2 Muchie Piliaseo. In English, when do you need it? At si number 3 ay si Onje Chumanashubchiyo. Yan. In English ay when did you order? At si number 4 ay si Chumanashin Buni Nuguseo. In English, who made this order? Yan. Ang tamang sagot dito guys is number 1. Si Odie Nol Kayo. In English, where do you want to me put it? Yan. Sama natin yung sagot guys. Kaya Ga Puchakashin Mulgon Kachwa Sumnida Odie Nol Kayo. Yan. Guys, sana may natutunan na naman kayo. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Janry Tambor. Yan, shoutout sa iyo sir. Malapit na ang exam ng batch 3. Kailangan nyo na talaga mag-review ng sagaran para makapasa. Kamsahamnida.